So would you like to ask any questions regarding them?
No.
Yeah. Okay. So we have seen here uncountable nouns. We have seen some countable and uncountable nouns as well. We have seen infinite nouns as well. So yes, sir. So here we go. Now uncountable and countable we have finished. Okay. Completely we have finished with countable and uncountable nouns. Now we are going to make sentences with countable as well as uncountable nouns. All right. How the words and how the sentences are going to be made over here, I'm going to show you here with uncountable and countable nouns. So today we were making sentences since long time without our determiners, but now we are going to see determiners in English. What do you mean by determiners?
Jana.
What do you mean by determiners? Yes,
Understanding.
understanding. But what exactly do you mean by determiner? Yes.
Explanation.
Okay. Explanation.
Description.
Now here, determiners are what? Quantifiers. Determiners are what? Quantifiers. Now we are going to learn now new topic, and that's what determiners and quantifiers in English. Now what do you mean by determiners and quantifiers? The word which show determiner, the word which show quantifier is what? Determiner and quantifier. For example, the word which show quantity is called determiner. Okay. Now, till now we were making sentences. For example, these are cars. Correct? अभी तक हम लोगों ने ऐसे सेंटेंस बनाया था. For example, those are beds. Correct? These are cars. Those are beds. यहाँ पे अपन ने determiner लगाया कि कुछ quantity बताया क्या कितने कार से कितने bed है?
No.
No. So we were just making simple sentences here. Now we are going to make sentences with determiners and quantifiers. So determiners and quantifiers are what we are going to see today with countable as well as uncountable nouns. Because see, if you are making, for example, this is water. This sentence is also correct. But if you want to make it more appropriate, so we have to put there some determiners. So we can just put there this is some water. This is some water. This is little water. This is much water. This is a little water. This is a lot of water. Or this is, we can use some other determiners as well. So this is what exactly we are going to learn here, determiners and quantifiers. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Now I'll be showing you what are the determiners and quantifiers do we have in English, and we're going to make according to them sentences as well. Now determiners and quantifiers, determiners and quantifiers, determiners and quantifiers. And I'll be sending you the file, okay, as soon as possible. I'll be sending you the file. You can download it and you can just enjoy the file. All right, guys. So ultimately, you'll have the notes of my classes. So determiners and quantifiers. Now, a singular countable noun, when it is singular, must always have a determiner in front of it. Okay? Singular countable noun, when it is a singular, must always have a determiner in front of it. For example, this is car. If I write like this, it will be absolutely wrong. Are you seeing that underline?
Yes.
Why it is wrong?
Because
some missing. This is a car.
Exactly, because there should be a singular countable noun. Car is a singular countable noun. Yes or no?
Yes.
So a singular countable noun will always contain a determiner in front of it. लगेगा वहाँ पर, लगना ही लगना है. If I am writing this is car, कितने कार है पता ही नहीं है, लगाना ही लगाना है. For example, that is dash apple, an apple. Why? Because it's a singular countable noun. Apple is a singular countable noun. So we have to put there a determiner. But for in the plural form, it can be used with or determiner or without a determiner. In the plural, we can use determiners and we cannot use determiner. Both are correct. For example, these are cars, correct. And if I write there, these are two cars, it is also correct. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are they giving underline?
No.
Are they giving underline? No. For example, those are beds, and those are 4 beds. Those are beds, and those are 4 beds. Those are 4 beds. Okay, so both are correct. Both are correct. Those are beds and those are 4 beds. Both are correct. Is this giving underline?
No.
So for singular we have to put the determiner, and for plural we use determiners or we do not use determiners. Both are correct. Okay. Now, so today we are going to see determiners in English. We have determiners and quantifiers. Both are the same. And For example, determinants in English. A we have done already, right? A means
1.
correct. And means
Also 1.
very good. Next one though, forget this the no. Next one, both. What do you mean by both?
2. A
Two.
and yes.
Correct. Some. When do we use some? What do you mean by some?
Few.
Correct. Kuch. Some, few. Next, any मतलब any कोई. Next, much.
ज्यादा,
बहुत
ज़्यादा. A lot of.
Too much.
Too much. बहुत ज़्यादा. A little.
Too minimum.
Correct. A few.
थोड़ा,
Some kuch. Thoda.
So these are our determinants. So we are going to see determinants in English. All right. Now let's go for the chart. अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कुछ chart बनाकर दिखाऊंगा so that you can understand it well. That how can we use determinants and quantifiers in English? So determinants and quantifiers, we have two types of determinants and quantifiers in English. The first type of determinant and quantifiers in English is what? Countable determinants. And another one is what?
Uncountable.
Uncountable determinants. Okay. Countable and uncountable determinants. Now we have some of the determinants which are countable as well as uncountable. For example, some, a lot of, next, any, etc. There are many other quantities as well. Okay. So next one, and some of the determinants are the which are only countable. For example, many. Next, a few.
A little.
Next, few. Okay. Fewer. Less. And numbers. Okay, so here we go. We have two types of determinants in English. Those are what? Countable determinants and uncountable determinants. Okay. Point number one. There are some determinants which are used for countable as well as uncountable determinants. There are some determinants which are used for countable as well as uncountable determinants. For example, some. Some can be used for countable as well as uncountable. For example, there are some chairs. Chair is what?
countable,
Correct. Countable noun. So there are some chairs. वहाँ पे कुछ chairs हैं. And there is some water. I have some water. What is water?
Uncountable.
uncountable.
uncountable,
So some is used for countable as well as uncountable. Rohit, please pay attention. Next one. A lot
Yes,
of.
sir.
A lot of used for countable as well as uncountable. For example, I have a lot of chairs in my class. I have a lot of chairs. Chairs,
Countable.
Countable.
countable noun. And I have a lot of water in the bottle.
Uncountable.
That is uncountable. Very good. Any we can use for countable as well as uncountable. For example, are there any chairs? Are there any chairs? So chairs.
Countable.
Very good. Is there any water in the bottle? Is there any water in the bottle? Water.
Uncountable.
Countable.
So we can use these determinants with countable as well as uncountable. Next one. Now we have some determinants which are used only for countable. For example, many, few, a few, fewer, numbers. These are the determinants which are used only for
Countable.
countable nouns. Okay, these are the determinants which are used only for
Countable.
countable nouns, and these are the determinants which are used only for
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
uncountable noun. Okay, for example, many. See, I have given their stars. ये star किसके लिए दिया? रंगोली निकालने के लिए नहीं दिया था ये क्यों भाई? ताकि अपने को समझेगा इसका क्वांटिटी किसका कितना है. Okay, good. Now, many and much both are the same. दोनों का मतलब सेम होता है. Many मतलब बहुत, much मतलब बहुत. But the difference between many and much is what? We use many only for
Countable.
Countable.
very good, and we use much only for
Uncountable.
very good. Now, for example, many we use only for countable nouns. For example, there are many people. People.
Only one.
Correct.
Countable.
Count. Oh, only one nahi. Countable noun.
Sir.
Yeah. So there are many people. मतलब यानी बहुत सारे लोग हैं वहाँ पर. Next one. I have much water in the bottle. मतलब
Uncountable.
पानी है मेरे पास.
Uncountable.
Correct. Uncountable. There is much water in the canal. There is much water in the ocean. So much we are using only for uncountable nouns, and many we are using only for countable nouns. All right. Next one. A few. A few मतलब यानी थोड़ा.
थोड़ा.
यहाँ पे स्टार मैंने इसके लिए दिया हूँ. इससे तो थोड़ा है ना ये. इससे थोड़ा है. ये सुनो. So a few मतलब यानी थोड़ा. A little मतलब थोड़ा. Next one. For example, I have a few students in my class. मेरे क्लास में थोड़े students हैं. And I have a little water in the bottle. ये bottle में मेरे पास में थोड़ा पानी है. Yes or no?
Yes.
Cool. Next one. Few. Few means
Come.
उससे भी थोड़ा और भी कम. Less, little और भी कम. We use few for only countable nouns. We use little for only uncountable nouns. For example, I have few chairs in my class. थोड़े ही chairs है मेरे क्लास में. बहुत कम के बराबर. And I have little water in the bottle. मेरे पास में बहुत थोड़ा पानी है. I have little water in the bottle. Okay? And the last one is what? Fewer. Fewer means what?
Yes. Come.
बहुत ही कम. Exactly. नस्लत जमा. नहीं के बराबर. Fewer. And less. बहुत कम. For example, there are fewer students in this class. There are fewer students in this class. So fewer मतलब यानी बहुत कम. And I have very less water in the bottle. मतलब बहुत कम पानी बचा है मेरे पास में bottle में. बहुत ही कम. Okay? And the last one which is remaining is what? Numbers. The numbers तो आपको बचपन में पता ही रहेगा. Numbers पता है ना आप लोग को?
Yes.
Yes.
That's what million, billion, trillion. I can 1, 2, 3. So we can just take these numbers as well. Any doubts?
No.
No.
No, sir.
It is very, 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 very simple. By the way, what is the origin of numbers? Did I tell you?
No, sir.
ये बैच में बताया मैंने आप लोगों को numbers कहाँ से आया?
No. No.
No.
कहाँ से आया numbers? You tell me now. What is the origin of 1, 2, 3? ये 1, 2, 3 कहाँ से आया? शून्य तो अपने इंडिया से आया है तो अपने को सबको मालूम ही रहेगा. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
आर्यभट्ट. What
आलियाभट्ट
is the origin of this 1, 2, 3? थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है जरा. आप लोग को भी थोड़ा मजा आएगा. आपको कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलेगा. आपका बेटा रहेगा, उसको जाके बताने का आपका बेटा आज आते जाते आपको सलाम मारेगा. Oh my God, my father is so intelligent. Oh my God. आपका नाही रे तो बाजू वाले का बेटा को दिखाने का. वो बोलेगा ए आई अगा नवीन वडील भेटले तर आपण शेजारी. यांना चेंज कर, यांना काय माहित नाही.
फटके
रोहित कैसे खुश हो रहा है. अरे मेरे को तो बाजू वाला मांगता है. यू. Yes, what is the origin of 1, 2, 3? See, this is what exactly I want to tell you. Wajid bhai, see.
Yes.
यही चीज है that what our Indian teachers are not teaching us, what our Indian schools are not teaching us. अपने स्कूल में जाते टीचर को क्या बोलती है? टीचर जाते के साथ में HW लाए, कंप्लीट किया, असाइनमेंट, बुक, CW, VW, KW, AW, PW. उसके बाद में बेटा पेंटिंग का कलर लेके आना है, असाइनमेंट लेके आना है. छोटा सा बच्चा रहता है, पापा रहता है, आपका बेटा रहता है, बेटी रहती है, छोटी सी बच्ची रहती है. उसको इतने सारे बुक्स देते हैं. ड्राइंग बुक, ये बुक, वो बुक, कलर का बुक, ये वो. फिर उसके ऊपर क्या? उसके ऊपर से उसको बोलते हैं एक प्रोजेक्ट बना कर लाना है. वो बच्चे को प्रोजेक्ट का पी भी पता नहीं रहता है. क्या बना के लेकर आना है? थर्मोकॉल का बंगलो. ओ माय गॉड, यू विल गेट द मार्क्स. अब वहां से क्या, वो बच्चे को नाक पोंछने की तो तमीज रहती नहीं है. बेचारी उसकी मम्मा क्या करती है, खाना बनाने का दे छोड़ती है. अब यहाँ से उसको जुबैर भाई चिल्ला रहे आगे रोटी देना. आओ चुप बैठो, रोटी पहले मेरे को बनाना है बंगला अपने सोनू का. अब वहां पे बेचारी टॉपनी बिचनी लगा के सोनू का बंगला बनाती है और नेक्स्ट डे लेकर जाते हैं उसको ऐसा. ए सरक 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 टूटेगा बंगला. थर्मोकॉल का टीचर के सामने रखते. टीचर उसको ऐसे देखती है, ऐसे दरवाजा खोलती है. नाइस, 5 मार्क्स. अब वो बंगला उधर कोने में पड़ा है. What the hell is this? Is this the system of education? Third class.
No.
Sorry to say this. अरे वो बंगला तुमने बनाया, उसकी माँ ने बनाया, बच्चे को क्या आया? क्या सीखा बच्चे ने? नो क्रिएटिविटी, नथिंग इज देयर। टेल मी, यस और नो?
बराबर है
Yes,
सर।
sir.
आज मैं आप लोग को जो चीज बताऊंगा ना, आप लोग
Yes.
बोलेंगे ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड, ये क्या था? अगर ये चीज अगर आपने को बताई होती ना, मैं भी आज मालूम आपको। I'll show you. I'll show you. What is the origin of 1 2 3? आपके अपने जो टीचर्स है ना, मैथमेटिक्स वाले बेचारे, उनको भी मालूम नहीं है व्हाट इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ 1 2 3। पता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अपने इधर डायरेक्ट फोकस करते टैली के ऊपर। 1 2 3 कहां से आया? अगर आप लोग ये बच्चे को अगर सिखाएंगे तो बच्चे का दिमाग ऑटोमेटिक चलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। ओ माय गॉड, ऐसा भी होता है, तो मैं कुछ नया करता हूँ, वो बच्चा साइंटिस्ट बन सकता है। एटलीस्ट साइंटिस्ट नहीं, एटलीस्ट वो कुछ तो अच्छा बनेगा, कुछ तो अच्छा बनेगा। इट इज द सेम केस माय डियर। द ओरिजिन ऑफ 1 2 3 वी हैव टू आंसर्स। दो आंसर है इसके, एक तो गटर आंसर है, गटर मतलब यानी लो लेवल का आंसर है, और एक टॉप लेवल का आंसर है जो कि इंटेलिजेंट लोगों के लिए। अब आपको दुनिया में दो टाइप के लोग मिलेंगे, अपने पास में वर्जन्स है अपने लोगों के। एक होता है 0.5 जिसको थोड़ा दिमाग कम रहता है, ढक्कन टाइप के लोग। एक होते हैं 1.0, ये मैंने बनाया, ठीक है, रेशियो मैंने दिया है। 1.0 मतलब है नहीं, नॉर्मल टाइप के लोग रहते हैं, जिसको अगर आप बोलेंगे ना ऐसे रहता, अच्छा अच्छा ऐसा क्या, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। और एक होता है 1.5 जिसको बोलते हैं अपन 1.5 शाना। अब ऐसे टाइप के तीन टाइप के आपको लोग मिलेंगे। तो ये जो लोग रहते हैं इनका प्रॉब्लम नहीं 1.0 का, प्रॉब्लम इनका 1.5 शाने का और इसका रहता है। अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है? एक इसका रहता है ऐसे कैसा कुठनं आलाय ते तुला काय माहिती, मला माहिती ना यार, तू कसं काय बोलतोय तसं, असं थोडी असेल। ये एक ऐसे टाइप के लोग रहते हैं। और ये जो रहते हैं 1.5, पण असं का, नो नो पण तसं का, नाही नाही असं काच, नाही नाही, तसंच का पण, ती ऐसे है। इनका दोनों को आंसर मैं भी आपको देता हूँ। आप लोग जब भी कुछ भी आंसर दे रहे हैं, सो यू हैव टू आंसर फॉर ऑल द पीपल, ओके? तो लोग आपको बोलना चाहिए, गाँवकरी बोलना चाहिए, बरोबर बोलले तुम्ही। और वो जो इंटेलिजेंट आदमी रहेगा 1.5 शाना, वो भी बोलना चाहिए, yes boss you are right. Now the origin of 1 2 3 is what? It is really very interesting topic. The origin of 1 2 3 is Saudi Arabia. कहां से आया मालूम आपको? 1 2 3 सऊदी अरब से आया। उसके पहले क्या चलता था दुनिया में? उसके पहले चलता था रोमन्स। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। पहले दुनिया में ये चलता था, ये से नो मालूम रहेगा आप लोग को तो, करेक्ट? पहले दुनिया में ये चलता था। अगर अभी किसी को बोलूंगा भाई 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12, कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी द आंसर? ए मारू दे रहा हो, कौन करना रे? आंसर आएगा जल्दी से? नहीं। अगर मैं किसी को बोलूंगा भाई 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12, आंसर प्लीज, झटके में आंसर देगा सामने वाला, यस नो?
132, हाँ
132, राइट? वाओ, कितना फास्ट आंसर मिला है। और इसका आंसर क्या था? इसका बोलो जरा मेरे को। नहीं बोल, यस नो? तो अल्टीमेटली ये पहले चलता था, उसको इतना इजी बनाया किसने? सऊदी अरब ने। 1 2 3 लेकर आया। आपको मालूम है 1 2 3 किसने लेकर आया है? ये आंसर सिर्फ आपको दो ही लोग दे सकते हैं। कौन मालूम? वाजिद भाई और जुबैर भाई। व्हाई? बिकॉज ये वो दोनों लोग हैं जिनको ये मालूम है आंसर। The answer is, the scientist was there, Al-Khwarizmi. Al-Khwarizmi was the scientist who invented 1 2 3. Al-Khwarizmi को जानते हैं क्या वाजिद भाई, जुबैर भाई?
No.
अरे पीछे ही गली में रहता है। कहाँ है आप लोग? मजाक कर रहा हूँ, पीछे ही गली में रहता है वो, सऊदी का था।
मेरे इधर
Al-Khwarizmi, आप लोग को मालूम है आपके फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के फर्स्ट चैप्टर में था आपके एल्गोरिदम,
Yes.
एल्गोरिदम, फ्लो चार्ट। ये एल्गोरिदम वहां से आया है। एल्गोरिदम ये उसने निकाला था, एल्गोरिदम, एल्गोरिज्मा ने, जिसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं एल्गोरिज्मा। एल्गोरिज्मा ने जिसने निकाला ये 1 2 3, ये उसने 1 2 3 आपको मालूम है कैसे निकाला? उसका 1 2 3 मालूम है आपको कैसे निकाला उसने? अभी आज के जमाने में 1 2 3 क्या है? ऐसा है ना, मैं आपको उसका रियल टर्मिनोलॉजी दिखाता हूँ कि 1 2 3 बना कैसा। 1 2 3 जो था वो बना कैसा, प्लीज पे अटेंशन, ओके। जो 1 2 3 एल्गोरिज्मा ने बनाया था वो कुछ ऐसा बना था। 1 was like this. Why? Because it had one angle. ज्योमेट्री में एंगल पढ़ा है ना?
Yes.
Yes.
That one had one angle. इसके लिए इसने ऐसा बनाया था। आज का वन ऐसा है, आज का वन ऐसा हो गया। Original one was made by algorithm. It was like this. Two he made two like this. 1 2 angles. 3 he made like this. 1 2 3 angles. Next he made 4 like this. 1 2 3 4 angles. दिखा? आज का 4 ऐसा हो गया। He made 5 like this. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 angles. He made 6 like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next he made 7 like 1 2 3 4 5
6 7.
6 7. He made 8 like this, simple. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. He made 9 like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. और जीरो तो अपने इंडिया से आया था, मालूम है ना?
सर
अगर ये बच्चे को अगर आपकी दिखाया ये सब चीजें, अगर आप बच्चे को, आपको बच्चे बोलेगा ओ माय गॉड 1 2 3 ऐसा है था डैड, आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग ग्रेट नाउ, आई एम गोइंग टू इन्वेंट समथिंग नाउ। आते जाते आपको सलाम ठोकेगा, ओ माय गॉड 1 2 3 मेरे टीचर को भी मालूम नहीं है। टीचर 1 2 3 कुठं आलं? ए गप्पच रे, प्लस काय पण दुसरं फालतू बो विचारायला लागलाय, मला पण माहित नाही ना रे। अरे गप्पच टीचर। That clear? Let's go. So by the way, guys, have you understood this chart?
Yes sir, yes. अलजबरा नाम भी सर इनका ही दिया हुआ है ना, पूरा जो अलजबरा जो वर्ड है ना, अरबी वर्ड है अलजबर, यानी पहाड़, ऐसा कुछ मीनिंग है उसका। अरबी ड्राइव से होके फिर बाद से अलजबरा में चेंज हुआ बाद में से।
Correct. Actually, it was the word algebra, and they have taken it from here, from Arabic word algebra. Means what? The solution of for the complication. Baljabr, algebra. It was the name given by Mr. this algorithm. So this algorithm invented 1 2 3. Oh my God. So this is what exactly. Do you know? अभी ये तो आप लोगों को मैंने 1.5 का आंसर दिया, राइट? आप लोगों ने मुझे पूछा नहीं 0.5 का आंसर कैसा है? सिंपल आंसर है उसका। हिंदी में होता है, देखो, उर्दू में होता है इकाई, दहाई, सैकड़ा, हजार, 10,000, लाख, 10 लाख, करोड़, 10 करोड़,
अरब
करोड़, 10 करोड़,
अरब
करोड़.
करेक्ट, अरब। कैसे आगे आता है कि बालाजी नगर, उर्ली कांचन, कात्रेज, स्वारगेट, क्या आता है? करोड़, 10 करोड़, अरब 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 तो अरब जिसको अजब बोलते हैं आप लोग, अरब वो अरब से आया था, तो ये एडे लोगों के लिए आंसर है। ऐसे थोड़ी रहता, एंगल का सकते अभी उसको एंगल नहीं बैठने का, उसको ये वाला आंसर देने का, सिंपल। ओके लेट्स गो। बाय द वे बहुत हो गया, चलो ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज। आई होप आप लोगों को आज ये चीज समझ में आई रहेगा, आप लोगों को समझा रहेगा, कुछ तो कुछ नया देखा है आज अपन ने,
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या आज अपने दोस्त को ऑटोमॅटिकली हैरान करणार। ओके रोहित, आज जाऊन तिला बोलायचंय, तुला जर माझ्याशी राहायचंय तर हे बघ असं असतं का काय? रोहित एवढं चांगलं कसं काय होतं? आई शप्पथ. So countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. Now we are going to see the sentences. अभी तक हम जो sentence बना रहे थे वो simple sentence था. अभी अपन थोड़ा awesome sentence बनाने वाले हैं with the determinants and quantifiers. Okay, we are going to make some new sentences with determinants and quantifiers. How are we going to make it? I'm going to show you today here. Let's have a look. Please pay attention on the screen only. Okay, here we go, Robert. Yeah, here it is. There are. We are going to make sentences with there are. Okay, statement, question, and negative. For statement, as you can see here, SQN statement. For statement, we are going to make sentences like this. For example, there are 2 students, there are few students, there are many students, there are some students, there are billion students. Means what? In the statement, we are going to use their determiners. Yes or no? Next one. As you can see here, the bracket. In the statement, you can see the bracket. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Bracket is there
Yes.
for the statement. So statement, you can use their determiners. Next one, question. As you can see, Q for question. In question, you can use there. Are there any students? क्या वहाँ पे कोई students है? You can use there any. Or as you can see here, the big bracket. Are there 2 students? Are there few students? Are there many students? Are there some students? Are there billion students? You can use in question, determiners and quantifiers both. In question, you can use their determiners as well as any. Okay, and in the negative, you have to use there. In the negative, you have to use only any. यहाँ पे आपको ब्रैकेट दिख रहा है क्या?
No.
No. So there aren't any students. वहाँ पे कोई students नहीं है. In the negative, you have to use only any. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
now sentences will be what? Like this. Statement, you're going to use their determiners. Questions, you're going to use their determiners or any. And the negative, you're going to use only any. All right. Now we are going to make sentence with there are. अब ऐसा क्यों है, क्या है, मैं आपको अभी आगे एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ. So please pay attention. We are going to make sentences according to our chart. अब ये chart के हिसाब से अपने को sentence बनाना है. Okay. So in the chart, the first determiner is what? Sum. When do we use sum? Sum for
Countable.
or
Uncountable.
correct. Very good. We use sum for countable noun as well as uncountable noun. Okay. For example, now we are going to make sentence with plural. Plural countable noun. Okay. Now we can make sentences with plural countable noun. For example, there are with some. Okay. There are some. Statement, question, negative. Okay. Statement, question, and negative with there are.
Just I want to know the negative any. So, are not any or maybe any used with.
I'll show. I'm writing here. For example, there are plus
Some.
Some.
correct. There are some plural countable noun. So there are some
People.
chairs.
Chairs.
Okay. Question.
Are there some
Are
chairs?
there
In the statement, we are going to use the determinants. Okay. Question. We can use determinants. We can use any. So
Are there
question.
some chairs? Are
Very
there some
good.
chairs?
Are there?
Some chairs?
Please background noise बंद कीजिए हाँ. Are there some chairs or are there
Any
any
chairs?
chairs? We can use one of them. दोनों भी अड़ेगी ऐसे यूज करना नहीं है, एक ही यूज करने का उसके अंदर. Are there some chairs? Are there any chairs? नहीं रहते भाई, स्टूडेंट लोग रहते हैं. Are there some any chairs? ऐसे नहीं होता है. So we can say, are there some chairs or are there any chairs? And negative?
There are
There aren't any chairs.
there aren't any chairs.
Negative only we are going to use there any. There
Any.
aren't any chairs. वहाँ पे कोई chairs नहीं है. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मुझे एक बात बताइए, can you please tell me, ये ऐसा नाटक क्यों हो रहा है? Some, any, some. पहिला वाला अच्छा था ना यार. अहो सर, आधीच चांगलं होतं की ते फक्त सम लावायचं, नाटकचं नाही. है ना रोहित?
मग काय?
मग काय? वाजिद भाई.
हाँ सर.
नाराज है क्या यार आप?
नहीं.
आंसर दो ना. यस,
सर,
जुबैर भाई क्या हुआ है?
Are there? No, the thing is that the word fit in this system, na, in this statement.
Wow.
Right? Are
What a
there any chairs?
Actually the meanings are systematically correct. For example, अब आप लोग हिंदी में जब बोलते हैं there are some chairs, अरे वहाँ पे कुछ chairs हैं, आप लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे वहाँ पे कोई chairs हैं, बोलेंगे क्या?
नहीं.
any का मतलब होता है कोई. ध्यान दीजिए मीनिंग के ऊपर. there are some chairs, वहाँ पे कुछ chairs हैं. और जब अपन क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो अपन दोनों साइड से पूछ सकते हैं. अरे वहाँ पे कोई chairs है क्या? Means what? Are there any chairs? और अरे वहाँ पे कुछ chairs है क्या? Are there some chairs? Yes or no? अरे वहाँ पे कुछ chairs है क्या? Means what? Are there some chairs? अरे वहाँ पे कोई chairs है क्या? मतलब नहीं. Are there any chairs? And negative, there aren't any chairs. अरे वहाँ पे कोई chairs नहीं है. अपन ऐसे बोलते हैं कि अरे वहाँ पे कुछ chairs नहीं है. सुनने में नॉनसेंस लगता है. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? अरे वहाँ पे कोई chairs नहीं है. There aren't any chairs.
Chairs.
Clear?
कोणतीही chair. Okay.
इसके लिए अपन वहाँ पे यूज करते हैं वैसा. Alright? So there are some
Yes.
chairs. Question, are there some chairs? Negative, there aren't any chairs. Or there are some chairs. Are there any chairs? क्या वहाँ पे कोई chairs है? And negative, there aren't any chairs. वहाँ पे कोई chairs नहीं है. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. So now this is what the first one, according to our determiners and quantifiers, that according to the chart, the first is what? Some. Can you please give me some sentences now with plural countable noun with some? Plural countable noun with some. Okay? There are some chairs. For example, there are some hawkers. What do you mean by hawker?
फेरी वाला.
Very well.
फेरी वाला. So कौन सा वाला फेरी वाला? वो हाथगाड़ी वाला. Okay? हाथगाड़ी वाला. Yeah. Are there some hawkers? A negative?
They are some
Aren't
No.
any of
There aren't.
any of
There aren't any hawkers. So there are some hawkers. There's some hawkers. There aren't any hawkers. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Now I want you to make sentences like this. There are some hawkers. Are there some hawkers? There aren't any hawkers. There are some peddlers. Are there some peddlers? There aren't any peddlers. There are some jumpers. Are there some jumpers? There aren't any jumpers. There are some players. Are there some players? There aren't any players. There are some peddlers. Are there some peddlers? There aren't any peddlers. There are some vendors. Are there some vendors? There aren't any vendors. There are some documents. Are there some documents? There aren't any documents. There are some kiosks. Are there some kiosks? There aren't any kiosks. There are some nuggets. Are there some nuggets? There aren't any nuggets. Okay. I want you to make great sentences with there are some. So as you have the sheet in front of you of the simple vocabulary words, you're going to and you're going to make it. All right. Please get me the sentences now. Faster.
There
There
are
are
some
some.
shops. Are there some shops? There aren't shops. Any shops?
Any shop. There are some shops. Are there some shops? There aren't any shops.
There are some dairy lions. Are there any lions? Lion.
There aren't any lions.
They aren't any lions.
Very good. There are some lions. Are there some lions? There aren't any lions. Next.
There are some casinos. Are there some casinos? There aren't any casinos.
There are some
Casinos.
curtains. There are some curtains. Are there any curtains? Aren't any curtains.
There aren't any curtains. Very good. There are some curtains.
And-
Some curtains. There aren't curtains.
There are some temples. Are there some temples? There aren't any temples.
Temples. Good.
There are some love apples. Are there some love apples? there aren't any love apples.
Very good.
There
Very
are
good.
there are some
Yeah.
tomatoes. There are some tomatoes. Are there any tomatoes? There aren't any tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Very good.
Tomatoes.
Next.
There are some slice. Are there any some slice? There aren't any slices.
any सम नहीं आएगा दोस्त. दोनों में से एक लेने.
There are some ideas. Are there some ideas? There aren't any ideas.
Very good. Continue.
There are some speakers. Are there any speakers? There aren't any speakers.
First. Good. There are some. Are there some? They aren't any. Yes. Continue.
There there are some facades. Are there some facades? There aren't any facades.
Very good.
There are some
Yes.
churches. Are there some churches? There aren't any churches.
Churches. Good.
There are some colleges. Are there some colleges? There aren't some colleges.
They aren't any colleges. Any colleges. Any colleges. There are
There
some
aren't any.
colleges. Are there some colleges? They aren't any colleges. Yes.
There are
Continue,
some
continue.
watches. Are there any some watches? There aren't any watches.
Are there any watches?
Are there any watches? There aren't any watches.
Aren't any watches.
Aren't any watches. There aren't any watches.
There are some restaurants. Are there some restaurants? There
Aren't.
aren't.
There are
Yes.
some shroud. Are there some shroud? There aren't any shroud.
Shrouds.
Shrouds.
There are some hospitals. Are there some hospitals? There aren't any hospitals.
Very good.
There
Continue,
are some
continue, continue.
There are some cleaners. Are there some cleaners? There aren't any cleaners.
Very good.
There are some traitors. Are there any traitors? There aren't any traitors.
Very good. Traitors. Give me some new words.
There
are
are some
some.
robberies. Are there some robberies? There aren't any robberies.
Very good. I believe so that we are very good with plural countable nouns, right?
Yes.
Yeah. बोल भी नहीं रहे यार आप लोग तो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to make sentence with uncountable nouns with there are, will become there is, with some. Now, according to our chart, pay attention, pay attention. According to our chart, when do we use some for countable nouns as well as?
Uncountable.
Very good. Now some with uncountable nouns. Okay. For example, for uncountables we use is or are.
There is some water in bottle.
Correct. We don't use are, we use there is. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
sir.
For example, there is some. Is there some? There isn't any. All right. For example, there is some. So there's will become short form there's. For example, there's some
some
water.
water in a bottle. Yes. Some there's.
Is there some water? A negative.
There isn't.
There
There
isn't.
isn't some water.
Is that clear? So there's some water. Is there some water? There isn't any water. There isn't any water. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
There's some water. Is there some water? There isn't any water. All right. Now I want you to make sentences with uncountable nouns. Now take uncountables. अभी आप लोग जितना बोल सकते हैं, scotch, rum, बेवड़े बेवड़े जितना बोल सकते हैं बोलो. Take uncountable nouns and make sentences. Okay. There's some water. Is there some water? There isn't any water. There's some information. Is there some information? There isn't any information. There's some luggage. Is there some luggage? There isn't any luggage. Now you can take the example of uncountable nouns. Over here, I've got some new words. आप लोगों को अगर चाहिए तो आप लोग ये न्यू हाई लेवल के वर्ड्स भी ले सकते हैं. और आपके पास में अगर गरीब वर्ड्स रहेंगे, water, viscous, you can take. Yes. Can you please give me some examples? बोलो भाई बोलो. Continue.
There is some motivation.
Is there?
Is there some motivation? There isn't any motivation.
Very good.
There is some gravy. Is there some gravy? There is. Is there any is there is any
There isn't any gravy.
there is
Good. There's some gravy. Yes.
There
There
is
is
some honey. Is there any honey? There isn't honey.
There is some honey. Is there
there,
some honey? There isn't any honey.
There
Yes.
isn't any.
there is some mud. Is there some mud? There isn't any mud.
Yes.
there is some drugs. Is there is there some drugs? There isn't any drugs.
Very good.
There is some Sprite. Is there some Sprite? There isn't any Sprite.
Very good. फेंको फेंको भाई फेंको जल्दी जल्दी फेंको
Sir, बराबर है.
There is, there is some bread. Is there any bread? Isn't a bread.
Any bread.
Any bread.
Good. Next.
There is some sanitizer. Is there some sanitizer? There isn't any sanitizer.
Very good. There's some sanitizer. Is there some sanitizer? There isn't any sanitizer. Next.
There is some promotions. There some promotion. There isn't any promotion.
Any promotion.
There
Next.
is some jealousy. Is there some jealousy? There isn't any jealousy.
Good. There's some jealousy.
There is some time. Is there any time? Isn't any time.
Good. There's some time. Is there any time? There isn't any time. Next.
There is
Continue.
continue.
Yes. Continue.
There is
Yeah.
some curry. Is there some curry?
Is there?
There isn't any curry.
There is some music.
Yes.
Is there some music? There isn't any music.
Good.
There is some appreciation. Is there some appreciation? There isn't any appreciation.
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 Good.
There is some airs. Is there any airs? Isn't any airs.
Very good. There's some air. Is there some air? There isn't any air. Yes.
There is some depression. Is there some depression? There isn't any depression.
Good.
There is some
Yes.
honesty. Is there any honesty? There isn't any honesty.
Very nice.
There is some knowledge. Is there some knowledge? There isn't any knowledge.
Yes. Continue.
There is some hypnotize. Is there some hypnotize? There isn't any hypnotize.
Very good. Yes. Yes. Continue. There's
There
some.
is some quality. Is there some quality? There isn't any quality.
Good. There's some appreciation. Is there some appreciation? There isn't any appreciation. There's some hallucination. Is there some hallucination? There isn't any hallucination. There's some copper. Is there some copper? There isn't any copper. There's some smell. Is there some smell? There isn't any smell. आप लोग के लिए favorite words ये है. You can take any, okay?
किसके लिए?
मजाक कर. Please.
There is some wine. Is there some wine? There isn't any wine.
उमेर भाई आप कहाँ हैं? गार्डन विडन में आप?
No.
में आप sentence दे रहे हैं. Yes, continue.
There is some information. Is there any information? There isn't any information.
Very good. There's some information. Is there some information? There isn't any information. Next.
There is some relief. Is there some relief? There isn't any relief.
Nice. Really? Yes.
There is some happiness. Is there some happiness? There isn't any happiness.
Very good. Happiness.
Happiness.
Ajit bhai, say something. Enmity, dushmani, vishmani.
There is some people. Is there any people? There isn't any people.
People. People is.
Countable.
Well, now.
Okay.
There is some dose. Is there some dose? There isn't any dose.
Very good.
There is some burger.
Is there?
I- is there some burger? There isn't any burger.
Is he correct? Guys, is he correct?
No.
Mm,
No. Why?
countable.
Countable. There is countable.
Burger is countable.
Yeah.
अरे you miss your girlfriend.
छोटा
Burger is
बड़ा रहते हैं.
छोटा बडा रहता. अरे बापरे आई शपथ. अरे बर्गर काउंटेबल असतो. वन बर्गर. अहो रोहित.
Okay.
घेतले का काय पण. Continue. Yes, continue. Continue, please. Continue, please. Continue.
There is some syrup. Is there some syrup? There isn't any syrup.
Very good. There's some syrup. Any doubts to anyone?
No.
No.
कल से जरा थोड़ा जल्दी आइएगा, okay? On time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So here we have done 2 sentences, and further we are going to continue this time. And see, next week we are going to start our main portion. Okay. So please don't be absent. जो भी absent रहेगा वो बंदा लटक जाएगा. As I've given you the promise, as I promised you as well before, that you are going to speak up 1.5 month or and at least in 1 month. That promise I'm going to fulfill as soon as possible. All right. So please don't be absent, and if you'll be absent, then may God help you. So please keep on practicing. Is that clear?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Video.
Shuru.
And you.